Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
University of Delhi has started the DU admission 2020 from June 20 in online mode at du.ac.in. Candidates can fill the application form of the DU UG program till July 4. The complete registration process of DU 2020 admission is in online mode. It is advisable that candidates check the eligibility criteria and keep all the information ready with them before they register for DU. The DU Admissions 2020 portal for UG programs will reopen from July 31 to August 9 for updating Class 12 marks. Careers 360 brings to you the stepwise guide as to how to fill DU UG application form 2020. Steps to fill DU UG application form 2020. Candidates who will register for the first time for DU 2020 entrance exam have to click on DU UG registration button. After clicking the button, a new tab will open. Click on New Registration. In order to fill the application form of DU UG 2020, candidates will have to fill the information that is given below. Applicant's full name, email ID, password, mobile number, CAPTCHA. After filling all the details, candidates have to fill on the Register button. Next, enter the OTP that will be sent to your mobile number and click on Submit OTP. In this part of DU UG application form 2020, candidates will have to enter the registered email and the password. Then click on Login. After clicking on the Login button, a tab will open with a list of important documents that candidates need to keep with themselves before filling the DU application form. Then tick the statement and click on the Submit button. After clicking on Submit, the candidates will be able to see the DU UG 2020 application form wherein candidates will be needed to fill the following details. Candidates should make sure that the details filled in are correct and authentic. Personal details: full name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth. Choose category from the drop-down menu. Select if the candidate belongs to minority category. Are you a citizen of India? Yes, no. Email ID, alternate email ID, mobile number, alternate mobile number, Aadhaar card number, state of domicile. Family details: name of the mother, occupation of the mother, address of mother's office, mobile number of the mother, name of the father, occupation of the father, address of father's office. Ward other details: University of Delhi ward quota. Yes, no. Others details quota. Persons with disabilities category. Children, widows of armed forces personnel, Kashmiri migrant category, Prime Minister's Special Scholarship Scheme for J&K students, Sikkimese students nominated by the Government of Sikkim. Address details: Address line 1, address line 2, country, state, city, pin code. Permanent address: if the permanent address is the same as the correspondence address, then the candidates will have to check the box stating that it is the same. Bank details for refund: name of the account holder, account number, confirm account number, name of the bank, IFSC code. Once the candidate has filled all the information, they will have to click on the Submit button. If they wish to make any changes, they can click on the Edit button, while if they want to go back, then they can click on the Previous button. If they want to continue, they can click on the Next button to continue with the filled in information. Academic details: select the board of education from the drop-down, select the year of passing, select the result status, class board roll number. Additional details: name of school last attended, type of school, school location, medium of study. Select from the drop-down Hindi language studied up to. Select yes if you have studied any of the following languages: Bengali, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Urdu, Arabic, Persian. After filling the details, click on the Submit button. After clicking on the Submit button, candidates will again be shown the filled in information on the form. Click Edit to edit the form or Next to continue. Entrance based course: since the candidates who will be applying for admission to Delhi University, they will have to select the Yes button from the drop down of the tab, Entrance based course. Candidates must ensure that they meet the requisite eligibility criteria for the course for which they wish to apply. Candidates must remember that even if they clear the entrance exam, the admission will be confirmed only if they meet the minimum eligibility criteria for the program in which they wish to seek admission. The list of courses in which the entrance exam will be conducted is listed on the left-hand side of the form. Candidates should select the 5-year integrated program in journalism. After filling the details, click on the Submit button. After clicking on the Submit button, candidates will again be shown the filled-in information on the form. Click Edit to edit the form or Next to continue. If the candidate wishes to apply through the sports quota, then they will have to select from the drop-down either of the two options, No or Yes, and choose the game. The window will later show the sports available in different colleges along with the position. The candidates can choose up to 3 events of the competition in which they were awarded. If the candidates want to go for admission through ECA category, they can select the extracurricular activity from the drop-down and the specialization. Candidates will have to select whether they wish to apply through the ECA quota or not. They will have to select from the drop-down Yes or No. If the candidate selects the Yes option, then they will have to select the category under which they wish to apply. Candidates must upload a self-attested copy of the ECA certificate. Candidates must remember that they should upload the highest level certificate. While filling the DU application form 2020, candidates can upload the following documents: passport size photograph, signature, self-attested copy class 10 board certificate for the date of birth, self-attested copy of class 12 board mark sheet. Candidates must remember that they will be able to preview the application form of DU 2020 only after they have uploaded all the requisite documents. Candidates can tick on I agree after reading the terms and conditions and then click on Payment to remit the application fee. Once the candidate has filled all the information correctly in the DU application form 2020, they can make the application fee depending on the category to which they belong. After clicking on the payment option, candidates have to verify the details by ticking against the check boxes. Candidates will be redirected to the payment gateway to make the payments to their debit card, credit card, net banking, or candidates can click on Home, Pay Later to make the payments later. The above steps to fill DU application form are provided so that the candidates do not face any hiccup, as this is the first stage of the admission process.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.